Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we're going to cover some of the basics of these, I guess you could call them actually T-nuts. Now they make a wide variety and different sizes of these things, and we'll be showing you the basic installation of these. Again, my name is Larry Spruce with tx-covers.com. We also have a channel on Facebook called Just Make It. We're involved in a lot of different things. We do a lot of woodworking. Various different things, so stay tuned for the video. Alright folks, here we go. Let me show you the basics of installing actually this is going to be a 4-prong T-nut. It is actually a 1/4 20 T-nut. This one is actually, let me look at the box here, stainless steel T-nuts, 300 series stainless steel. We've got these in standard steel, and we've got these in stainless also. You can check them out on our website at tx-covers.com. We'll also be posting some stuff on Just Make It on Facebook as well. Again, we're going to cover the basic steps of installation of this thing. And what I have done here on this piece of 1x4 is I have actually drilled a couple of holes out in it. One here, one here, one here, and one here that's partially drilled. I just kind of cleaned the top of it out where the flange of the T-nut's going to sit in there so it'll sit flush. You know, you don't always have to do that. The T-nut will actually pull into the soft wood. This is 1x4 pine, so it's going to pull in there pretty easily. But to give it a neat appearance, I kind of cut that out with a big old bit, just to really where it looks really nice. We're going to do one here that we've already drilled the hole in, and we've also went ahead and cleaned the surface out so that this actual T-nut will sit right down in there. And you'll see it's setting up above the board now. What you'll do is you'll put this T-nut in place just like you see it here, and then you'll get you a screw like this, somewhere around this size. Doesn't have to be exactly. These are 1/4 20, and you'll put you let's get it here, a small washer. You can use one big washer if you want to. I like to use the tight fit washer first, and then put another washer on top of that. And of course you'll go from the opposite side of it, and you'll screw this in here by hand until you see it just come out the other side of the board. Just like right there, right through that T-nut, where it's flush or so. You don't have to go any further than that. Now you see the prongs are just now gripping into the board. Then you'll take this thing, get these branches out of the way, set this down here, and you'll tighten this up, snug this nut up here on this threaded bolt, or this bolt itself. And then you'll need to come in there with a 7/16 or whatever size wrench you're going to be using, and continue to tighten this down. Now sometimes you may have to hold this top section of this bolt. I'm going to try it without it. And you pull it down, and you pull it down, you keep pulling it down. Hopefully you can see that, until it is pretty much flush with the surface. You see, all I'm doing is just tighten it. There ain't no secret behind it. Doesn't take a rocket scientist. And once you get it to where you want it, there you go. You see it's flush, a little bit below. That way it won't interfere with anything if you have another board going up against it. Take that nut back off. Unscrew the 1/4 20 bolt. And there you go. Pretty simple. Some people really don't know how this even works. We get a lot of questions on the website that, hey, well, what does a T-nut do? How do you put it in? What is it used for? From the side, you can't even see that T-nut's installed. Now, if you were to do this in an area like this, without this being surfaced down, it'd be a little tougher to pull it in, but it would go in with no problem. It's just myself, when I use them on applications here around the warehouse, I like to flush them up where you run your finger across there and you can't hardly even feel them. And it's very unlikely that they'll come out of there. If you're using this for any kind of marine application, of course I'd put some kind of a sealer around it, or ATV, RTV 4500 or something like that around it before you start putting it back in the hole. And folks, these are used on various different applications. Wood, plastic. I get a lot of people here doing a lot of woodworking, and they use these to fasten 2 pieces of wood together, or put something, you know, tie 2 pieces or 2 objects together, especially in the marine industry, even on some motorcycle work, automotive, industrial. Many practical uses for it. But yeah, I hope this helped a few of y'all out. It's a very simple thing to do. Like I said, you normally just drill your hole out. If you want to clean the surface, clean it out with a bigger bit to where it looks really nice. If not, you can just drill your hole out, put your nut right in it, and go to town, you know. Now let me cover a couple of different types that we have. We also have a wide variety of ones. We've got this one right here. This is a 1/4 and it is just a round type. It's zinc plated. It's a T-nut, but it doesn't have any ears on it. It just have 3 holes in it. So that's a different type that you could use. And of course, then we've got the 1/4 stainless 300 series that I just told you about and that we just used. Great for marine applications. And of course, then we got this one here. It's a 5/16 18. It's also, I believe, a 6-prong. We've been selling these things for a long time. And this one here is a 3/8 16 6-prong. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to use these or figure them out. But due to the questions we get, we decided to put a short video together. I hope this helped you in one form or fashion. If you liked the video and if we taught you anything or helped you in any form or fashion, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, folks. We're not $1 million corporation out there that's making thousands of dollars a month on videos. We're just an old homegrown establishment here in the south part of Texas and struggling to survive out there in this big old internet world against these monster companies. We appreciate your support, and if you see anything that you might be needing, give us a call. You know, at 956-262-3166 or 956-533-6811. We'll do our best to answer your questions. Again, hit the like and subscribe button. All we can tell you is thank you for watching the video, and we'll be putting out many more of these to come. Once we have people asking questions, we'll try to answer them with a video. If not, give us a call. We'll try to answer it again for you. Thanks for watching.